Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download a TikTok on your iPhone. If your TikTok is not showing up on the App Store, I'm going to give you multiple fixes, not just one. Okay? One is you just go ahead and check your App Store country. This is a common issue people have, where you just open up the Settings app, okay, tap on your Apple ID here at the top, and then just select Media and Purchases, then click on View Account, and then just go ahead and tap Country or Region, and just make sure that your country actually supports TikTok. So if TikTok is restricted in your area, change it to a country where TikTok is available, like the United States or the UK. And if you are in the United States during the, ban period, then you'd have to switch to another country. Okay? What you can do is switch to something like Australia, right, or any other Asian country that has TikTok or a European country. Then what you need to do is restart your iPhone and App Store. Okay, just close the App Store completely and just go ahead and restart your iPhone by holding the power button and just slide it to power off. Okay, reopen the App Store and search for TikTok again. Right, go ahead and get TikTok and open it up. Next, what you can do is clear the App Store cache. So open up the App Store, tap one of the bottom menu icons like, today or games 10 times quickly. This basically refreshes the App Store and it might bring back some missing apps. What you can also do is you can use a direct TikTok download link. You just open up Safari and search for a TikTok App Store. Okay, click on the official App Store link to open a TikTok's download page, and if it still doesn't appear, you can proceed to the next step. This is where we check for restrictions on your iPhone. So you go to your settings, go to screen time, tap on content and privacy restrictions, okay, and go to the iTunes and App Store purchases section. Ensure that installing apps is set to allow. Also, you want to go ahead and check content restrictions and allow apps rated 12 plus or higher. Okay, so if you have those restrictions, apps like TikTok will not even show up. And then what you can do is use a VPN. So if TikTok is banned in your country, you can use VPNs like Proton VPN, NordVPN. I personally use Hotspot Shield VPN. And you just go ahead and connect to a country where TikTok is still available. And then you just reopen the App Store, search for TikTok again, and that should work. And if none of these work, guys, ensure that your iOS actually updated, okay? Make sure it has the latest update. And then what you can also do is try signing out of your Apple ID, sign back again, and that should fix your issue. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.